Hello, bonjour, welcome to my new class. This time we are painting realistic portraits with alcohol markers. So this is a technique that is really cool and I'm happy to explain you how to do this. I will be showing this portrait in detail, step by step, along the class. Some examples of what you can achieve after the class. It's maybe a bit different of what you're used to see with alcohol markers. So during the class I will explain everything from what you need to work and the kind of paper you have to choose, also how to draw, and actually we won't be drawing, and how to achieve this realistic look with gradients and some raw brush strokes as well. This class is for all levels. I will be explaining everything step by step in very detailed videos. So I hope you'll join me in class and I can't wait to see what you're going to paint with it. See you there!